Unveiling the secrets of cheese sauce. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into a deliciously creamy topic that's loved by many around the world: cheese sauce. Whether drizzled over nachos, pasta, or vegetables, cheese sauce adds a rich and smooth flavor that transforms any dish. So, let's explore what makes this sauce a universal favorite and how you can use it to spice up your meals. Cheese sauce, at its core, is a simple yet versatile concoction. It's made by melting cheese into a liquid base, usually milk or cream, and often thickened with a roux, a combination of butter and flour cooked together. The result is a smooth, flowing sauce that's perfect for a variety of dishes. The type of cheese used can vary, leading to different flavors and textures. Cheddar is a popular choice for its sharpness, while Gouda can give a sweeter taste. The concept of melting cheese into a sauce has roots in many cultures, but it's commonly associated with French cuisine, where it's known as Mornay sauce when Gruyere cheese is used. It became particularly popular in the United States as a key ingredient in the beloved macaroni and cheese dish. Its simplicity and the ubiquity of cheese in Western cooking have made cheese sauce a staple in many households. Cheese sauce is incredibly adaptable. Here are some common ways it's used. Pasta dishes, like the famous macaroni and cheese. Vegetables. Broccoli or cauliflower covered in cheese sauce is a hit. Snacks. It's the perfect dip for chips, pretzels, and nachos. Meats. A spoonful of cheese sauce can elevate a plain chicken breast or steak. Baked dishes. It acts as a rich, creamy layer in lasagnas and potato bakes. Creating your own cheese sauce is easy and allows for customization. Here's a simple recipe. 1. Melt butter in a pan and add an equal amount of flour to create a roux. 2. Gradually whisk in milk until the mixture is smooth. 3. Add grated cheese and stir until melted and creamy. 4. Season with salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. Experiment with different cheeses and find your perfect match. And there you have it, the delightful world of cheese sauce revealed. We hope this video has enlightened you on its origins, uses, and how you can make it at home to bring a touch of indulgence to your meals. Remember, the best part about cooking is making it your own, so don't be afraid to get creative with your cheese sauce. Until next time, keep pouring that liquid gold and enjoy the flavors it brings to your table. Happy cooking!